आमच्या ऑनरेबल CMाक की ताणें म्हणजे लास्ट एसेंब्लीन ताणें आमकां उतर दिलें की आमी ताजेर सुटावो काडटा म्हणून आमचो TCP मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे सर आनी आमचो पालक मंत्री मोविन गुडिनो सर हे तिगूय जाण ह्या जॉबाचेर आशिल्ले. आमी तांचे कडेन प्रश्न मांडलो आनी त्या पालक मंत्री मोविन सराच्याय कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन हो प्रश्न ज्वलंत आसा म्हणून मोविन सरान म्हाका दिसता 2-3 मिटींग पासून राजनाथ सिंग आमचो डिफेन्स मिनिस्टरा बरोबर घेतलो आनी अशें करून CMाच्या आदारान आमचो TCP मिनिस्टरान सगळ्यांनी मेळून खंय तरी इल्लो हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जाता आनी म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा इवन पयरच्या एसेंब्लीन हांव हो प्रश्न काडिल्लो डेमोलिशन नोटिसीसाचेर बी म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या 6 म्हयन्या भितर हो जो नेव्हीचो NOCचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो पसून सॉल्व जातलो ताचे बद्दल दुबाव ना. दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज फॉर द पीपल बाय द पीपल एंड ऑफ द पीपल एंड दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज वर्किंग फॉर द पीपल. हा जो सरकार हांचे खातीर काम करता लोकां खातीर काम करता हे सगळ्यांक दिश्टी पडटा. आज खंयचोच एक आमचो मंत्री ना जाल्यार आमदार आसूं स्वता खातीर हे काय करना. दीस गव्हर्मेंट आनी आमकां सगळ्यां कडल्यान इन्स्पिरेशन मेळटा ते आमचे ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्रजी मोदी आदरणीय नरेंद्रजी मोदी हांचे कडल्यान आमी घेतात आनी विकसीत भारत 2047 जावचें हाचे खातीर जी पाथ घेतल्या म्हाका दिसता दीस इज द रायट डायरेक्शन. वी वील ऑल गो सगळ्यांक बरोबर घेवन सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका विश्वास आनी सबका प्रयास इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आमी सगळ्यांनी तातूंत प्रयास घालून आमचे ऑनरेबल आदरणीय प्रायम मिनिस्टराचे हात घट करपाक जाय आनी फुडली जी वाटचाल आसा ती बरी करपाक जाय.
One question we had in our mind that the Navy NOCs, delay in NOCs, that things has been sorted out. What's the current situation and what was the issue earlier?
So the NOCs is basically, you are all aware, it is basically for the height restriction because of the aeronautical conditions put by AAI and for the security reasons. So earlier we used to follow the same process, but we had to send it to WNC, that is Western Naval Command in Mumbai. So that time which used to go there, get it cleared from there and then come back based on our recommendation is now reduced because WNC has given the decision to us to clear it at our stage only once we feel it is okay. So the procedure and the process will remain the same. It is just that the time gets reduced because it doesn't have to go to Mumbai and come back, which used to take 15 to 20 days more. So now that time is shortened because now the time it comes to our office, finishes its round, it gets cleared. So it is beneficial to everybody. The time is reduced, and I know everybody wants to build big buildings. Big buildings.
And what about the restriction? Restriction remains the same?
Restrictions remain the same. There are not very many restrictions also, but restrictions remain the same. But we are actually now coming down to see what is security, what is not security. At times we are involving even the police when we do this check. But the aeronautical restrictions that are fixed, they can't be changed.
What's your views between Navy and civilian, how they should work?
Be happy, enjoy life. No, why? What is the problem? There's no difference. Even Navy people are civilians only in uniform, that's all. That is the only difference. We wear a white uniform, you wear a white shirt. So there's no difference in all of us are the same. You should not start India and Pakistan inside India.
What's your message to the general public locally?
I think it was a very nice carnival. I saw the whole Vasco carnival. It was very nice. And I think very happy, community that we have here in Vasco. But one thing I think we need to do is, which was even very evident in the carnival, was to keep our city clean. So many times they showed all that, polluting the oceans, polluting the road, polluting. I think that as we slowly grow up, I think younger lot are much more better than the older lot. But if we do that, then Vasco becomes clean. And we need to all put in a lot of effort to, clean up Vasco because even I've lived here for the last 20 years. My son is born in Vasco only, so I as much as a Vascoite as any of you all.
And Navy is ready to be part of all this.
Definitely, that I've told this even to the MLA, but whatever help we can do, whatever ideas you want also we will give you. And whatever we can implement, we can implement. But see, once we get things done, it has to be looked after also. Like, the whole thing can be done up. But then after that, it has to be looked after and kept in its pristine condition. So I think it will happen. Many things have improved over the period of time. Goa itself has changed quite a lot. I think things will improve. Vasco will also improve. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.